Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y divided by x, that is about degree number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1 and then we have v. This is about the product rule of derivative. So this one we change for y. This one that is about this one. Now x divided by x which simplified. Next, this one multiplied by this one and we have like this. So we need to simplify ve to the power of v. Next, I will put this one go to the right and we divide both sides by e to the power of v. Now I will put the x and x go to the right. This one go to the left. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of 1 plus e to the power of v. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. About the conditions, we need to have this one. So that means when s equals to number 1, y equals to negative number 5. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 1 gone here, negative number 5 gone here. Ln number 1, you got number 0. So we can put like this. And then I will put this one gone here. This one we have e to the power of negative number 5. So we can cancel the absolute value. That is the end.